Hi student, today we are going to discuss about the preparation of nitroalkanes. The fourth method, oxidation of tertiary alkyl amine. Oxidation of tertiary alkyl amine. So in this method, we are taking the tertiary alkyl amine. It is oxidized with aqueous potassium permanganate. Aqueous potassium permanganate. It gives tertiary nitroalkanes. It gives tertiary nitroalkanes. Here on the oxidation of tertiary alkylamine, here we are taking tertiary butylamine. Tertiary butylamine. CH3, 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 NH2. This is the tertiary butylamine. Tertiary butylamine, or another name we can say 1, 2, 3. This is the longest carbon chain. So we can say this is a 2 amino 2 methyl propane, or we can say 2 amino 2 methyl propane. So here the oxidation of tertiary alkylamine with aqueous potassium permanganate, it gives tertiary nitroalkane. It gives tertiary nitroalkane. Here it is oxidized by aqueous potassium permanganate, KMnO4. Here we are taking 3 oxygen. What is oxidation? Addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen is called oxidation. Here the addition of oxygen takes place. It gives tertiary nitroalkane. Tertiary nitroalkanes. Here we can write 2 oxygen and 1 oxygen. So this hydrogen and this oxygen goes as a water molecules. So this 2 oxygen added with the nitrogen. So it gives, what is oxidation? Oxidation is nothing but is addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen. It gives CH3, 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 NO2. This is the tertiary nitroalkanes. Tertiary nitroalkanes, or we can give the name, IUPAC name 1, 2, 3. This is the longest carbon chain, in which in second carbon one methyl group is present, one nitro group is present. So we can say 2 methyl 2 nitro propane with the elimination of water molecules. It gives the tertiary nitroalkanes. Tertiary nitroalkanes. So oxidation of tertiary alkylamine with aqueous potassium permanganate gives tertiary nitroalkanes. Here we are taking tertiary butylamine, or 2 amino 2 methyl propane is oxidized with the aqueous potassium permanganate. It gives 2 methyl 2 nitropropane. These are tertiary nitroalkanes. Tertiary nitroalkanes. So this is the oxidation of tertiary alkylamine. So in this method we are taking the tertiary butylamine is oxidized with the aqueous potassium permanganate. It gives tertiary nitroalkane. It gives tertiary nitroalkanes. I hope you understand, student. Okay. Now let us see the fifth method, oxidation of oximes. Oxidation of oximes. Oxidation of oxime. The preparation of nitroalkanes. Fifth method, oxidation of oxime. So in this method we oxidize the oximes, acetaldioxime and acetone oximes. We get nitroalkanes. So the oxidation of acetaldioxime and acetone oxime with the trifluoroperoxyacetic acid gives nitroalkanes. So we know that hydroxylamine, the formula for the hydroxylamine NH2OH. So how do we get acetaldioxime and acetone oximes? We know that acetaldehyde CH3 CH double bond O, this is the acetaldehyde. It react with the hydroxylamine. It gives the addition product with the elimination of water molecule. It is called acetaldioxime. This hydrogen and oxygen goes as a water molecules. It gives acetaldioxime. CH3 CH double bond NOH. This is the acetaldioxime. So in the same way, acetone also react with the hydroxylamine. It gives acetone oxime. CH3 CH3 double bond O. It react with the hydroxylamine NH2OH. With the elimination of water molecule, it gives acetone oxime. CH3 CH3 double bond NOH. This is the acetone oxime. So now we are going to taking the acetaldioxime and acetone oxime for oxidation. Here on the oxidation of acetaldioxime, CH3 CH double bond NOH. This is the acetaldioxime. Acetaldioxime. It is oxidized in the presence of trifluoroperoxyacetic acids. Trifluoroperoxyacetic acids. It gives nitroethane. CH3 CH2NO2. This is the nitroethane. So acetaldioxime on oxidation with the trifluoroperoxyacetic acids, it gives nitroethane. It is a primary amine. It is a 1 degree amine. It is a primary amine. It is a 1 degree amine. So 1 degree nitro compound. 1 degree nitro compound. This is 1 degree nitro compounds. Okay. We are taking the acetaldioxime on oxidation with the trifluoroperoxyacetic acids. It gives nitroethane. It is a 1 degree nitro compound or primary nitro compounds. So in the same way, we are taking acetone oxime, CH3 CH3 double bond NOH. It is oxidized in the presence of oxidizing agent trifluoroperoxyacetic peroxyacetic acid. It gives 2-nitropropane, CH3, CH3, CHNO2. This is the 2-nitropropane. This is the secondary nitro compound or 2-degree nitro compounds. So, the oxidation of acetaldioxime and acetone oxime. This is a acetone oxime. Oxidation of acetaldioxime and acetone oxime in the presence of trifluoroperoxyacetic acid, it gives nitroethane, it is a primary nitro compounds, and 2-nitropropane, it is a secondary nitro compounds. Okay, this is the oxidation of oximes. Okay, so in this method, the oxidation of acetaldioxime and acetone oxime with the trifluoroperoxyacetic acid gives nitroethane and 2-nitropropane. Nitroethane is a primary nitro compound and 2-nitropropane is a secondary nitro compounds. This is the oxidation of oximes. Thank you, student. I hope you understand. Thank you.